Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 33 of Building the Batmobile. This issue, we got the battery box. We got some power, although we're not putting power in it yet. Newfangled spider. Don't know why. It's from 1964. The Bat Spider, maybe? I don't know. Bruce Wayne, Playboy billionaire. Yeah, everyone knows about Bruce Wayne. Never see him and Batman in the same room, do you? You know, just saying, there might be a thing. So yes, we've got the main battery box, which takes quite a lot of batteries for one of these builds. So yeah, interesting. We've got some more switches and another cable, and basically, as you guessed it, we're plugging the cables into the switches into the splitter cable. So we've just got the one thing and a battery box to deal with next time. But next time, main circuit board, yeah, with some more wires. So I think there's going to be more connections to make on that, but I could be wrong. But yeah. So that's that. Let's clear it out of the way. Let's get these connected and then we'll be done. Yeah, so we've got a battery box, which again runs on what looks like AAA size batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Quite substantial. That's twice as many as most of these kits. We've got, again, 2 cables. We have, what have we got on here? 13 and 14. This one should be 12 on the big end, 13 and 14. Let's plug those into there, 13 and 13. Otherwise, it will get confused as to which one's going which way and why it's not stopping when it goes to a certain extent, I should think. That one in 14. I do like the printing on these. This is nice. All of this, and apart from the fact that it seems very long-winded for that's an issue. The electronic side of things are not going to be cheap to produce, so you understand it's done over a part work. You're not basing each one as each, you know, is it worth getting these components? Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. But for the way that these are labelled is excellent. I like that. I do like the paper packaging of everything as well. I do think that is the way forward rather than using lots of little plastic bags, because you can obviously still reuse these paper bags, the screws. So yeah, I shall put that aside there and that aside there, and yeah, see you next time for the main circuit board. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.
Yeah.